The last one is where we get to ARM assembly. So you'll need an ARM-based machine, and you can do that either real or emulated. You can run a native ARM Debian machine on a Mac M1 or later processor, or you can have an Intel processor and run an emulated ARM processor on it. And the instructions in the project show you how to do that. Let me just point to those projects to make it clear. Here's how you prepare your ARM system. On either ARM hardware or emulating on an Intel processor. You do one of these to get an ARM system. And then ARM assembly is here. Make sure you have the AArch64 processor, and you install binutils and GDB, and then you can make Hello World. And the assembly looks a lot like 8-bit Intel assembly, but it's a little different. You use load register here, and when you do a kernel call, you do it with SVC0. And the numbers are different. So here, I've got a data with a message, hello ARM64 world, carriage return, and message length is as usual here. And so now I just load the registers. X0 is the file descriptor for standard out 1. This is the address of the message string. This is the length of the message string. Here's the syscall for write, which is 64 in ARM, and then I call. So it will print out this message, and this is the exit code. A system call 93 for exit. So this is exactly like the Hello World that we made in x86 assembly in previous projects, just in x64, ARM64 assembly, which looks a little different. And here's how you compile it with AS and LD. And then you can run hello. So now you can make a Caesar cipher, just like before, where you have a space here to store a message. You can read message from the user with call 63. Then you can go through the message character by character and move the characters forward by 3 in the alphabet and in looping it. And then you can print out the message at the end. So it gives you an example of a simple loop and Caesar cipher. And so now you can find a couple flags, improving those programs. So that's what I wanted to show you. I'm going to stop this one.